Can you prevent or delay balding by taking care of your hair? You asking the right questions. Everyone shut up. No one ask any more questions. Get into the meat and potatoes of all of this. You got your skin, you got a little hair follicle, right? Don't judge my drawing skills. This hole right here, that's the hair follicle. What a lot of people think happens, your hair just don't grow. Like it's an issue with the hair itself. That's not the case. It has to do with the follicle, the opening. What happens is the diameter of the hair follicle, right? It gets smaller and smaller to the point where it stops producing hair. So what I like to think of it as, think of it like a window, and your hair is the breeze. Are you with me? Okay, stay close. When the hair follicle gets too small, it's like closing that window, so the breeze can't come in. That's how balding occurs. So it's the shrinking of the diameter of the hair follicle causes balding. Why does that happen? That happens due to a hypersensitivity to an androgen called DHT. I don't think y'all hearing me. I'm very scientific in this hole. Somebody asked where I'm from. I'm from the Bahamas. Lon, I can't continue this without y'all fully grasping my scientific intellect. That is highly genetic. Someone said, can't lie, bro, looks so good, I'm about to kiss you respectfully. How do I ban him? How do I ban you? I don't take that respectfully. I don't like how you just slid that word in there like it was gonna make it okay. But anyway, yeah. So taking care of your hair won't necessarily help with the balding aspect of it. Taking care of your hair is a good way to just enjoy the hair that you have. It always be them bald niggas with the Vegeta hairline going all the way back to their spine. Their hairline goes so far back, it's a spine tattoo. It always be them niggas who got something to say. It's always them. Make no sense. In your opinion, what are the best hair growth oils for oiling your scalp, and which are the best days of the week we should all oil our scalps? That's a good question. Me personally, as long as it is an essential oil, I think you're good. As far as the days of the week, I would say that you don't have to do it any more than 2 to 3 times a week. I can't tell you there's a best day. It's not like if you apply it on Monday versus Tuesday that you're gonna get some extra gains. You know, that's not how it works. Someone says my hair is 2 feet 8 inches long. Any tips? Bro, your hair is 2 feet. You don't need tips. I need tips from you. Pause. You need to give us some advice. 2 feet? You know how long 2 feet is? That's like long. Do you have any food or diets you recommend eating that helps promote growth? I feel like if I was to tell you to eat certain foods, we'd be going down a certain rabbit hole that I don't want to go down, right? So here's what I would suggest to you. I know certain supplements and whatnot, certain nutrients are helpful to hair growth, like there's biotin. Apparently melatonin also helps as well. I don't track that kind of stuff. Me specifically, since I started getting in the gym, hold on, I just realized I can't just be out here not showing off the gains. Hold on, F the hair for a second. F the hair for a second. Y'all see me out here, bro. Y'all see me out here. We maxing out every single stat in the book. But as far as the diet plan, you know, just eat your whole foods, drink your water, get your protein. That's not gonna help you with your hair, but it'll at least help you with your. I mean, yeah, I think it'll help you with your hair. My diet primarily consists of some variation of chicken and rice 4 times a day. Some veggies in there. I might make curry. Might make jerk chicken. But I can't say that I have like a hard diet plan that's gonna be like, yo, if you eat this, if you eat these 6 foods, your hair is gonna grow like 10 inches overnight. That would be me lying to you. Some of you might notice that when you grow out your hair for a while, your hair texture starts to change. It starts to go from that little tight afro look to more of a like what I got going on right now, especially if it's moisturized. Did your hair texture change? I don't think so. Here's why. I think it is a combination of your hair now weighs more, right? So think of it like a slinky. Y'all know those spring stuff? Let it go, right? It's gonna hang. Even though naturally it was together, the weight of it stretches the slinky out, so it looks like the spirals are further apart. I think that's what happens when it comes to your hair. So the longer your hair is, especially if it's moisturized and your natural curl shape is showing, you're gonna see it. And I noticed that happened to me when I went into my like 3rd year of my hair journey. My texture started to change, but I think my hair was always that texture. It just weighed more because there's more hair. Nice, man. Kobe subscribed. Hello, Kobe. Claps for Kobe. Claps for Kobe. Thoughts on hot oil treatments versus applying oil regularly? If you feel that you need to boil oil and put it on your head like you are anointing Christ, go right ahead. Me personally, I'm not doing that. I don't think it's necessary. What are the hair products needed for great hair growth and healthy hair? And whilst we're here, I would like to point you guys out to the fact that if you've been growing your hair out for a while, need a little bit of extra help, I got a free curly hair routine template going over everything you should do to your hair from day 1 to day 7 of managing your curls. It's completely free. All you have to do, it should be in the description of this video actually, go open that in the next tab, It'll tell you everything you should do to your hair throughout the week. The hair products that you need. Let's go over that real quick. In fact, I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to go in order. These are the hair products you should get in order. Get a pen and paper. First product you should get, a leave-in conditioner. No, a lot of y'all thought I was going to say a shampoo and a conditioner. No, get a leave-in conditioner first, because it can double as a detangler. It adds the moisture to your hair and doubles as a detangler. You don't want it. Let me tell you why you don't want to get a shampoo first. Shampoos will often strip the moisture out of your hair, and if it's stripping the moisture out of your hair, how are you going to put that moisture back in if you don't have any other products? So leave-in conditioner first. Then get a rinse-out conditioner. So that way you have the rinse-out conditioner to detangle your hair and conditioner to just put moisture in your hair. Then get a shampoo. Now you got the three. You could leave it here. We're not going to leave it here because we're extra. Then you're going to get an essential oil like peppermint oil, tea tree oil, something along the lines. You could even get peppermint oil that's in castor oil. That's going to seal the moisture into the hair strand. So you could apply your leave-in conditioner, then apply the oil, and then you could seal it that way. And you could use it on your scalp to help with hair growth. So that's 4 products right there. Fifth product, I would get a curl cream. Curl cream, that's gonna give you a little definition when it comes to your hairstyles. But then also you're gonna be able to do the LCO method. You got the leave-in conditioner, curl cream, and the oil. If you want to go further than that, get a gel. Gel will just help to keep your hair in that pattern, so you don't have to bother it throughout the week. So that's 5 or 6 products. Those are all the products that you need to get. How do you know which products that you should get? How do you know which products are good? Well, I'm gonna point you to a PDF that I made. It's the 48 best hair products. So I give you 3 different options for each one, just in case that one doesn't work that well for your hair. So it goes over shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners, leave-in conditioners, protein treatments, essential oils, right? And I even separate it into low porosity hair and high porosity hair. Interested in that? The link for that will be in the description, or if you go to my profile, you'll find it in my bio. It's not free. It took a lot of work for me to create that, and I have to host it on an actual site that I have to pay for. But I do think it will definitely help you out. You don't want to go through all this extra struggle of trying to test products and do this trial and error BS. That document will definitely help you out. So go and download it. Someone said, did you used to have a high top? A lot of people on the internet will say that I had a high top. I'm going to stick to the story that I had a drop fade. Everyone who saw that video of who they think was me telling the world that I would never grow out my sides, I want you to pay attention. To anyone who saw that video of me saying I would never grow out my sides, I never did that. I never did that. I always had this hairstyle. Whoa, bro, you blacked out for a second. What was going on? You mentioned that. Why do you switch to the taper fade, bro? What's the goal? Because your first style, which you never had, was... Here's the reason why. It was not because I got bullied on the internet. I don't give a shit what... At the end of the day, haters don't exist. I wanted to experiment more with cornrows. So that's why you guys see me with a high taper here. Because I didn't care about the sides. I wanted the back. It was the back that I wanted to go lower. You guys will probably see like on my Instagram, like when I get pop smoke braids, that was the style that I wanted to do. And I felt like I just couldn't do it with the previous hairstyle. Let me tell y'all, I'm gonna put y'all in game right now. This hair, I'm a Christian. I love my queens. Proverbs women. But back in the day, this hair would take me far. This hair still take me far. I just use it for God now. But this hair will take you far, bro. Growing your hair will take you far. If you're on that demon time, I'm not saying to be on that demon time. I'm not advocating for those activities, but I'm just saying it helps.